guys! Today I'll show you how you can change Microsoft Word background from black to white. So let's get started. If your Microsoft Word is showing a dark or black background, it usually means dark mode is turned on. This can sometimes make reading or editing documents a bit uncomfortable, especially in bright environments. The good news is you can easily switch it back to a white background in just a few steps. First, open Microsoft Word on your laptop or PC. Once it opens, look at the top left corner and click on the File option. This will open a new menu on your screen. From here, scroll down and click on Options. A new settings window will appear. Inside this window, stay in the General tab, which is usually selected by default. Now look for the section called Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Here you will see an option called Office Theme. If it is set to black or dark gray, that's why your background appears black. Click on the drop-down menu and select white or colorful, depending on your preference. The white theme will give you a clean white background, which is best for normal use. After selecting the theme, click on the OK button to apply the changes. Instantly, your Microsoft Word interface will switch back to a white background. If your document page is still dark, you can also go to the View tab at the top and turn off dark mode from there, depending on your Word version. This method works for most versions of Microsoft Word and is the quickest way to switch back to a normal white screen for better visibility and editing. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.